Good evening, student. Last class we have done from question number 13, sub question number 2, where we learn how to find the area and vertices formed by the line and the x-axis. So after watching that video, please try to solve question number 1 and 3 and do send me. Now coming to the next question, everything will be same. How we find table 1, table 2, plot the graph. After plotting the graph, here you will also find the vertices and the area formed by y-axis. Now see, the question is here x-axis and here is y. You can take the help of example also if you have problem in understanding with my video. See, in this page number, you can check, it is page number 59. Here it is same question like question number 13. So you have to find table 1, table 2 and they plot the graph. In our graph also we got the area formed like this. This was the height and this was the base. These are the vertices. So this is for just exactly like question number 13. This one, coming to the next example, that is example number 19. This is similar with question number 14. So if you have any problem, you can take the help of this example number 9. Similarly, you have to find table 1, table 2, plot the graph. Now you see, I told you how you will get the area. You will get the area on the y-axis. That means this will be your height and this will be your base. Exactly this same method you have to use for question number 14. So with the help of these examples and the video which I sent you, please all of you practice 13, 14. Once you know how to do 13 and 14, all the remaining graphs are similar. Now you keep on practicing. See, little difference is here. Shade the area, shade the region bounded by these lines and y-axis. Also find the area bounded by these lines and y-axis. You have to shade, just like in the example, no? It is cross or just like a spider web. We have to just color the area or shade the area. All are similar. You just practice. If any problem, send me the picture or send me the video. You can give me missed call regarding the question. Just let me know what problem you have, then I'll explain. But question number 19, 20 and 21 we don't need, because this is regarding the square, regarding the parallelogram and quadrilateral. In the syllabus we don't have four-sided areas one, we have only three-sided. That is still question number 18 you need to practice. Only regarding the triangle you have to practice graph. With this graph we come here with the end of exercise 3b. Now we'll continue with 3c. Before that, there are some important points. See, now how this algebraic method of solving pair of linear equations. Now we'll see how many methods are there to solve pair of linear equation, not graphically. This will be not graphically. Now you see, suppose when there are fractions or decimal root, it is difficult for us to plot in the graph. So when it is in root, point or fraction, it is difficult for us to plot in graph. That's why we do without graph. And while doing without graph, there are three methods: substitution, elimination, cross multiplication. Always remember, in the exam they hardly ask the method. They will just say solve the pair of linear equation. Now it's up to you which method you find easy, simple and less time taking. I advise you to follow that method only during the exam. But it's important for you to know all the three methods, because you never know in the exam if they ask. In case, you have to remember here you don't have anything, very simple. In this cross multiplication method there are some formulas. This simple one, substitution, the one same method which we always do while finding the table 1, table 2 for the graph. Same one, but here I will teach you without graph, and this one will be new. In today's video I will teach you substitution method and elimination method. We'll do only one question and we'll use both the methods. So you can check here, this question: solve the following system of equation. Okay, here we come to exercise 3c. Similarly, here solve the following system of equations. See, they don't mention which method. They don't mention the method. Mostly it happen even in the exam also. You can see they will not ask. If you check the previous year question paper, they will not ask which method. Now I will send you two methods. Practice nicely, watch carefully and see which one you find simple and shortcut. So I have taken question number 1, sub question number 3. Only this question I will use both the methods. Okay, just look here. So that question, now first method is using substitution method. Using substitution method, how we wrote? We wrote this as equation 1, this as equation 2. So we start with from equation 1 we have. Now if I want to substitute for y, I will put x here. And if I want to substitute for x, then I will put y this side and taking 2x to the other side. You can do either way, whether you put y here, take x there, or we have taken x here and y this side. Whichever method you do, you will get the same answer and it will be correct. So we took this to the other, it become plus. Therefore x equal 13 plus 3y divided by 2. We mention this as equation 3. Now putting x equal. Now you see putting x equal how much? 13 plus 3y by 2 in equation 2 we have. Now you have to understand this. We started from equation 1. We took equation 1. This is equation 1. And what we are getting? X equal 13 plus 3y by 2. And we mention it as equation 3. Since we took from equation 1, we cannot write putting in equation 1. If we took from 1, putting in 2. If we take from 2, it will be putting in 1. Then only you will get. These are simple thing, but once you make mistake, you won't get the answer. So what we wrote here from equation 1, we took x equal this much, taking all other thing to the right side, putting only x variable here. So what we are getting? Putting in equation 2. Now check what is equation 2? 7x minus 2y equal 20. Now in place of x, we will substitute the value of x with what? With 13 plus 3y by 2. So you can see here, this is equation 2, but I have removed this x and replaced it with this. So now when we remove the bracket, always put inside the bracket, okay? So removing the bracket, we multiply 7 into 13, 91, 7 into 3, 21y, minus 2y equal 20. Now what happened? This is fraction, this is also fraction. So what is the denominator? 1. What is the denominator? 2. LCM of 2 and 1, 2. So 2 divide 2, 1. 1 multiply 91, 1 multiply 21, we will get as it is. Next, 1 divide 2 will be 2. So 2 into 2 we get here 4y equal 20. No change here. Now this is y, 21y, 4y. Plus into minus, minus 21 minus 4, 17. Which is greater? 21. That is plus sign. And cross multiply. 2 into 20, 40. Here what we have denominator? Nothing. That means 1. 1 if we multiply with such things, these things, we will get as it is, as the number. So what we are getting? 91 plus 17 after subtracting equal 40. Now we put variable, that is y, to the left side and the constant number to the other side. This is was nothing, so it is plus here. Coming to the other side, it become minus. Now 40 minus 90, plus into minus, minus 91 minus 40, it will be 51. But which is greater? 91. What is the sign? Minus. So it will be minus 51. So we got minus 51 and we put the variable y and dividing 51 by 17, we are getting 17 into 1, 17, 17 into 3, 51. But the sign is minus, so it will remain minus 3. Here we got y. How much? Minus 3. Now what we will do? We can put in equation 1, equation 2 or equation 3. So now you see it is always easy or simple to put in equation 3. This was equation 3. If we put how much we got y, it will be easily we will get x. Or you can put in equation 1, equation 2, that is no problem. You will get the answer. So what we wrote? Now putting y equal minus 3 in equation 3. What is equation 3? 13 plus 3y by 2. Now in place of y we will put with minus 3. So plus minus minus. 3 into 3, 9. 13 minus 9, 4. Which is greater? Plus. So this is plus. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Therefore x equal 2. Hence the solution is x equal 2 and y equal minus 3. So I'll just show you once again. This is how we did for graph, but here you see we don't need to make the table. We don't need to take three values. Only we take from equation 1, putting it like this. And once you take from 1, we'll put the value in 2. If we take from 2, you will put in 3. Doing like this, we got the value of y. See, this is substitution method. Okay? We get the value of y. Now putting y equal in equation 1, 2, 3, anywhere you put, you will get x. So the question was solve the pair of linear equation. Solve the following system of equation. So how much we got? 2 and minus 3. Now same question we'll be using with different method. Now you check which one you find easy. But both you have to understand. Now using elimination method, same question. We took first one equation 1, second equation 2. Now see, if you want to eliminate means to remove, to throw it out. Okay, to remove it, to eliminate it. So if you want to eliminate x, we will take multiplying equation 1 by 7 and equation 2 by 2. That means multiplying this everything by 7 and this everything by 2 if you want to eliminate x. In case you want to eliminate y, listen carefully. If you want to eliminate y, what we will do? Multiplying equation 1 by minus 2 and multiplying equation 2 by minus 3. We'll just take the coefficient. If you want to eliminate y, take the coefficient of y. So here we are taking x. That is, what is the coefficient of x? 2. Here what is the coefficient of x? 7. So when we say multiplying equation 1, we will take 7. So 7 into 2, 14x. We'll take just the coefficient, not 7x, not 2x. Only 7, only 2. Only minus 3, only minus 2. Here since they are plus, we are taking 2 and 7. But suppose if you want to substitute y, it will be minus because the sign are minus. Now you see multiplying equation 1 by 7. Equation 1, 7. 7 into 2, 14x. 7 into 3, a minus is there, minus 21y. 7 into 13, 91. Finish. And equation 2 by 2. Now 2 into 7, 14x. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. See, this y is this one. Here y, here. This x, x. We will not change the variable. We will not change the variable x and y. We will change only the coefficient. We will multiply only the coefficient. Only the numbers will multiply. Only the numbers, always remember. The sign also as it is, it will be. So 2 into 20, 40. Now remember, what we are doing here, elimination method is very simple. We mark it equation 1, equation 2. Just take the first number, multiply all the number. Just take the first number, multiply all the number. After that we do subtraction. Subtraction means you close the line. This is what? Plus 14, plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Here plus 40, it become minus. Subtracting means change the sign. While changing the sign, you just check the second one, not this first one. Check this second one, the down one. What is the sign here? Plus, then make it minus. If it was minus 14, you would have written plus. Similarly, all. Now see, now this 14 become minus, this 4 become plus, this 40 become minus. Now this is no more plus, no more minus, no more plus. After changing, we'll assume the new sign. Now this up one, plus into minus, minus, 14 minus 14, 0, cancel. Minus into plus, minus, 21 minus 4, 17. Which is greater? Plus 4 or minus 21? Minus 21, so the sign will be minus. Now plus into minus, minus. 91 minus 40, it become 51. Now which is greater? Plus, that is 91, that is plus 51. Now what we take? Therefore y equal 51 divided by 17. But 17 is minus, that's why what we will write? Y equal 3. So here very simple. You take equation 1, equation 2. You just take the first number, multiply all. Here the first one, multiply all. After that, change the sign of the last one. Suppose this will be equation 3, this will be equation 4. We'll change the sign of all the equation 4. After that, you subtract and you will get one value of the variable. Once you get the value of the variable, now y equal, whether you put here, here, or in equation 1 and 2, it's always advisable you put in 1 or 2. So what we are writing? Putting y equal minus 3 in equation 1. What was equation 1? 2x minus 3y equal 13. So in place of y, now minus 3. Minus minus plus 3 into 3, 9. So since this is the variable, it will remain on the left side. We'll take the number to the right. Plus become minus. 13 minus 9, it become 4. So what will be x equal 4 divided by 2? That is 2. So what we are getting? X equal 4 divided by 2, that is 2. So what we are getting as a solution is x equal 2 and y equal minus 3. So if you check, even last method which we used, substitution method, how much we got? We got y equal minus 3, x equal 2. Similarly here, same question using different method, x equal to y equal minus 3. Now you have to decide which method you find easy, less time taking, and simple to understand. Once again, I'll show you. This is substitution method. Okay, here we completed the substitution method, and this is elimination method. Practice both the method nicely. Here second method completed. So you can practice both the method. So I want you to practice first question number 1, sub question number 1, 2 and 4. You try with both the methods. With both the methods you try. Once you understand how to do question number 1, I'll send the video for the remaining question. But try to practice. You can take the example. Help elimination methods and all. But I think the video which I send you, it's simple. But in case you want, you take the help of the example from the book. Practice these two methods and try to solve more questions, as many as you can solve. And then the next video I will teach you how to do cross multiplication method. Okay student, thank you.